Hi everybody, this is an unsolicited testimonial for LED Innovations Limited. I want to do this for them because they helped me out recently with a problem I had with external floodlight. It was turning on and off fairly like every second or so, which was very annoying. And normally when I have a problem, I'll search on Google or YouTube and see if I can find a solution to say why it's doing that. And the closest I found seemed to indicate that the LED array itself was at fault. So I went on eBay and bought a few and waited a month for them to come in. And when they did arrive, I hooked it up and same problem. It was flashing on and off. And now this confused me because I did measure the power output of my power supply for it, and it was outputting full voltage. So this made no sense to me. So of course I needed a solution. So I went on Google and searched LED suppliers here in Edmonton, Alberta. That could maybe help me with this, and I found one called LED Innovations Limited that is relatively close to where I live, and so I phoned them up and they said, yeah, no problem, bring your stuff and we'll test it out for you and find out what you need. And so I went down there and met with the owner. His name is Adolfo, and when I got there I was fairly impressed with his showroom. He's got all kinds of lighting solutions in there that I haven't seen anywhere before. So I asked if I could have a quick tour of his shop, and he obliged, and it was very interesting. So I was very happy to be dealing with them. They obviously know exactly what they're doing. So anyway, after the tour, Adolfo and I put my equipment on his test bench, and he proceeded to test things out and tested the array and tested the power supply, and we hooked it up and away it went, flashing again. And he says, okay, I know what the problem is. The power supply is a constant current type, which is the proper type of power supply to power an LED with, but outputting full voltage is fine, but being a constant current supply, it constantly monitors the current that it's outputting, and if it senses an overcurrent or an undercurrent situation, it will indicate that by pulsing the output. So that's what I was getting, pulsed output, which translates to a flashing light. With his knowledge, I found out that I do indeed need a new power supply. So he had one in stock, and we hooked it up, and everything worked just fine. So I came home and reassembled the light and put it back up, and now I've got a working floodlight again. So I'm quite happy. So to show part of my gratitude, I'm doing this testimonial for him. So anyway, I hope everybody found this useful. I highly recommend Adolfo and his crew at LED Innovations Limited. And if you have any problems, give them a try. They're good.